Okay, here's the house from the outside. Hey guys, Hades here. I wanted to show you my parents' house. I think it's kind of unique, and I don't know, hope you enjoy it. I'll try to get through it as quickly as possible. First thing I want to show you is out there. That is actually an airstrip. Obviously not for commercial jets, but it is an airstrip for small planes. A lot of people in this area own their own planes. So super interesting, I thought. All right, we're out on the balcony where they take their dogs at night when they're too lazy to take them downstairs, and let's go see what's inside. Hey guys, Hades here. Here's the outside again. I wanted to make this one long video, but my mother thought her room was messy, so we have to do this room again. But that's right outside where I started last time. Here's her little office area in the master bedroom. Old pictures of my brother and I. Look at that guy. What a handsome guy he was when he was in high school. Okay. Got a closet here. Yeah, I think the light was already on last time. Nice big walk-in closet. Yeah, master bed. You got a little fireplace. I gave that to them for Christmas maybe 20, 30 years ago. You got a little sunroom here. Pretty cool. Nice big tub. Toilet number 1. Toilet number 2, and the shower. I don't know. Poker area. Baby changing area. Look at that. 2 sinks. Okay. Oh, good enough. We'll get back to the original video. Private space. Here's guest room. I was going to stay in here, but it's too close to them. We keep different hours. My dad's real anal. Bathroom. Light should have been on. Laundry room and pantry. Here's their kitchen. Yeah, I chopped some lettuce last night. They didn't clean it up. My parents aren't here right now, or this would be spotless. Check out this old stove. Look at this. Like, pretty cool, huh? Their slot machine, they don't turn on anymore. Who's that?
Percival.
It's Percival. He's not interested in being filmed. He's staying here with them now. We're going to check out this in a bit. Another fireplace. Here's where Percival is currently staying. A little small, but he likes it. Little game room. They got some CDs, DVDs, and I guess a bunch of stuff they don't use, but maybe Percival does. Who's that?
Percival.
Alright. They got a little balcony out here with my dad's smoker. His barbecues elsewhere. And I'll show you something else. Now check out that river view. Isn't that awesome? The only thing that's not super cool about this is those power lines. Now, I haven't been here too long. From what I hear tell, you can see the river much better in the winter when all the leaves are gone off the trees. These stairs go down, but we're going to go down a different way. Check this out. Close this door. Yes. This is an elevator. Got this little catwalk area, mostly just storage. Goes all the way over there. Got some more stuff down there. Now, check this out. This is their studio, or my dad's office. You'll notice it's not as clean as the rest of the house. That's because I'm staying here. Now, I think they'll get tired of me staying in my dad's office real quick. I'll show you where they're gonna move me later. But yeah, got all my garbage here. Another little bathroom. Yeah. See? All right. Let's go down. You know, I really should have come here first and turned on all the lights and prepared this better. We'll be back here. There's a light. Can't see much. All right. Huge garage. You know why? It's because it was designed for a plane. There's a door over there. You know, I didn't even know that door was there. Where does it go? Looks like it goes outside. That is their next door neighbor's house. Pretty close. Alright, so you can tell my dad, since he retired, developed a few hobbies. He's always been into woodworking, but I think he really now likes to collect boats. And as you can see, there's the catwalk up there. Up there, that's the office slash studio slash where Hades is currently staying. I'm sorry, I really should have prepared this better. All right, the garage door is broken. Look, more of the boat collection. Another airplane hangar. The guy who used to own this. And look, they got that cool area up there that you can't get to without a ladder. There's no stairs. My father claims he's never been up here since he moved in. No, not easy to get to. I mean, you know, not extremely difficult, not super easy. All right, now check out where they want me to live. Or not live. I won't be here forever. But I'll probably be moving into here. Because here's where they want all the peasants and the servants. I'm joking. So if I stay longer, and I probably will, I'll be moving into there to get out of my dad's office. All right, cool so far. Oh, and everything's locked here. Another little bathroom. Yeah, toilet, shower, sink. All right. I forgot to show you another little strange room. Not as interesting as some of the other stuff. Yeah. Another little storage room. I don't know where the light is. That's okay. Not much to see in here. And people say I spend too much time rambling in my videos, so just another little room. You don't need to see too much about it. Another locked door. Okay. Outside now. Max! Good boy! These stairs lead up to the balcony outside the master bedroom where I started the video. Here's where I just was not too long ago, like the servants' quarters and a section of my dad's boat collection. There's the airstrip. Not quite done. Max, who's a good boy? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. I think they got enough firewood. A nice little outdoor area here. Now, I'm not done. I still have, I don't know what's in here. No, I honestly did not know this bathroom was here. Another bathroom. So you get like 25 bathrooms. And I don't know what this is. Thought it was strange. They got Christmas stuff, Halloween stuff, fish stuff. I don't know. I guess this is to remind them of that there's holidays or something. Growing tomatoes down there. Another fridge. Another microwave. And here's their jacuzzi. Yeah, I'm not going to open it, but jacuzzi in there. Backyard leads right up to the river. Now, I think this is pretty awesome, but let me go down a little bit. Now it's kind of dry season. There's a river over there. All this area though is part of the river. And when it starts raining again in spring, this will all be covered up. You see those plants out there? That's actually a little island. So this stuff right here, all these rocks at the front, they'll be covered in water pretty soon. And all that green stuff will die till next summer. But there is a little island out there. And obviously you can see some areas, the river's going to be very shallow getting to that island. But it'll be colder, winterish, when that happens. Okay guys, thanks so much. Hope you liked it. Bye-bye. look at that up there. There's an area cut out for the trees to grow through. Thought that was pretty interesting. I'm gonna put this after the end thing, so I bet most of you won't even see this part. If you stayed this long, thanks so much for watching. If you stayed this long, type something interesting in the comments, like Hades is awesome. Okay, that's not interesting. How about Hades sucks?